All right, folks, how's it going? Good morning. Happy Saturday, folks. Arriving on track number 1 is the Amtrak California Zephyr, train number 6. Final destination of that train is Chicago. Here she comes now. P42 Genesis leading off on this train. I kind of like riding on the California Zephyr. That's one of my favorite long distance trains ever. So anyway, this is train number 6 to Chicago. Amtrak California Zephyr. P42 146 leads off of this one. P42 146, P42 number 76. And we got a Coast Starlight coming by here later on. This is a train I take to go to Reno, to go back to my parents' house, this train. P42 146 and P42 number 6 leave it off. Tail end right now. Any moment now, the Coast Starlight will be speeding past here shortly. I wondered if my friend's father is driving this train. Would depart in a couple minutes. They try to get these passengers on the train. Now it's turned green light. It was blinking yellow. Now it's turned green. Hey Isaac, the signal turned green. It was blinking yellow. The signal on this track right here, train 11 will be flying by here. She also got a green light signal on the other side. Here comes Coast Starlight train number 11. Final destination of that train is Los Angeles. Here she comes now. P42 on this one. Thank you. P42 28 leads off. 28 and 37. And there go that train to Los Angeles. See, I told you, I say the Coast Starlight will be coming by here momentarily. All right, folks, there go California Zephyr train number 6 is about to depart. All right, folks, once again, California Zephyr train number 6. Final destination of that train is Chicago. P42 146, P42 76. Back-to-back long-distance trains here at Richmond Station. People in the lounge car, y'all on YouTube. And there go that train off to Chicago. Continue on to Martinez, Davis, Sacramento, Roseville, Colfax, Truckee, Reno, Rillamoca, Elko, Salt Lake City, Utah, Denver, Utah. And the long distance to Chicago. I'm Marcel Hall. Have a good day. Bye-bye.